Hello everyone, this is Luke. Now let's take a look at how to change a YouTube short thumbnail. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And let's get started. First, let's check out this short video that I uploaded. I will open it. At the top right corner, we can see the pencil icon. Let's click on it. And you can see changing the thumbnail is not possible. There's no option to open the video or any pencil icon to edit the thumbnail, so you cannot change the thumbnail on an already uploaded video. The only way to set a thumbnail is when uploading a new YouTube short video. Most importantly, remember that you must upload from a mobile device, otherwise the option won't be available. So let's open the YouTube app. In the center, we can see the plus icon. Click on it. Now select an existing video or record a new one. It doesn't matter. In this case, I will add a test video and click on the button in the bottom right corner. Click next button in the bottom right. You can edit your video if needed. For this tutorial, we don't need it, so we click next. And now we were exactly where we wanted to be. On the video thumbnail, we now see a pencil icon, meaning we can change the thumbnail. Click on the pencil icon and you can select any frame from the video. You can also add a filter for your thumbnail or add some text, and that's it. Now just proceed with uploading, or you can save this video for later. And that is all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.